In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore Classic File Explorer with ExplorerPatcher in Windows 11. Open your web browser and go to the ExplorerPatcher Releases page on the GitHub website. If you need a moment to get there, you can pause and copy the pinned comment. Once the page loads, look at the latest release at the top. Click Assets to expand the download list. In that list, click epsetup.exe to download the installer. If your browser shows a security warning, click Keep or Allow so the file is saved. Now open your Downloads folder in File Explorer. Find epsetup.exe and double-click it. If Windows shows a protection screen, click More Info, then click Run Anyway. Wait a few seconds while the screen flickers. That refresh is part of ExplorerPatcher applying its changes. After a moment, the taskbar will switch to the Windows 10 style, which means ExplorerPatcher is installed and active. Next, right-click an empty area on the taskbar and click Properties. The ExplorerPatcher Properties window will open. On the left side, you'll see categories like Taskbar, System Tray, File Explorer, and Start menu. Click File Explorer in the left side list. If a prompt appears that says Register as Shell Extension, click it. This enables the File Explorer changes so the options in this section can take effect. Near the top, find Control Interface. Click the drop-down menu and select Windows 10 ribbon. If you prefer, you can choose Windows 7 command bar instead. This setting is what restores the classic toolbar style. Now disable the Windows 11 context menu. Click the X so it changes to a checkmark. That restores the full right-click menu directly. Then disable modern search bar and click the X there as well so it changes to a checkmark. That brings back the classic search bar style. If you want the classic this PC layout too, use classic drive groupings in this PC and toggle it on. When those settings are in place, click Restart File Explorer at the bottom left of the Properties window. Open File Explorer again and check the toolbar at the top. Right-click any file or folder and confirm the full classic context menu appears right away without Show More options. Then click the search bar and confirm it uses the classic search style. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. File Explorer now shows the classic Windows 10 interface, with the ribbon at the top, the full legacy right-click menu, and the classic search bar. All these changes can be reversed by uninstalling ExplorerPatcher.